In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do ChatGPT photo editing step by step, so you can upload an image, tell ChatGPT exactly what changes you want, refine the result with follow-up prompts, and then download the edited photo when it looks right. This is a super easy workflow for beginners, and it can save you a ton of time if you want quick edits without using complicated software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Once you're inside, look for the Attach or Upload Image option. This is the first step because ChatGPT needs your photo before it can start editing anything. Click the Upload button, then select the photo you want to edit from your phone or computer. After you choose the image, give it a moment to load properly. Once the photo is uploaded, the next step is to write a clear prompt. This part is really important because the better your instructions are, the better your results will be. Instead of being vague, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want done. For example, you can say, remove the background and make it white, or you can ask it to convert this into cartoon style. If you want to improve the look of a photo, you can say, enhance quality and lighting. The more specific you are, the easier it is for ChatGPT to understand the style and effect you want. Now, once ChatGPT gives you a first result, don't worry if it's not perfect right away. That's where the follow-up step comes in. You can refine the image by asking for more changes. For example, you might say, make it brighter, add blur background, or change to professional look. This is one of the best parts of using ChatGPT for photo editing, because you can keep adjusting the result until it matches what you need. Think of it like a conversation. You upload the photo, give the first instruction, then keep improving it with short and clear follow-up prompts. This makes the editing process much easier and more flexible. If you want a cleaner background, ask for that. If you want a sharper image, ask for that too. If the photo needs a more polished style for social media, a profile picture, or a thumbnail, you can keep refining it until you're happy with the final version. Once the edited image looks good, the last step is to download or save it. Just click the download option and store the finished image on your device. That way you can use it right away for personal projects, content creation, business graphics, or anywhere else you need it. And that's it. You've just learned how to do ChatGPT photo editing in a simple step-by-step way. Upload your photo, write a clear prompt, refine it with follow-up instructions, and then download the final image. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech kinds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.